Hello everyone and welcome to 9145 Sebring Drive in Pensacola, Florida. We are in the 32506 today. I've got a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home spanning over 2,250 square feet to show you today. As you can see, this home is a brick home and sits on a corner lot with mature landscaping. We're in the neighborhood of Lillian Woods, which is managed by an HOA. It does have a low fee annually. And as you can see, it is a nice, clean, and well-maintained neighborhood. You do have gate access to your backyard there, as well as a double gate access on the other side. Brick exterior with the brick mailbox, mature trees, and then you do have a 2-car garage, as well as probably 3 parking spots in the driveway. So let's go inside and take a look at the interior. Coming in, you do have black tile to greet you. It's got some flecks in it and is very pretty. Do have a formal dining room as well as a bonus room here. So this room does have a vaulted ceiling and overlooks the front yard. Here is entryway where we came in, and I do have this door open, so it's kind of closing off this walkway here. But this is your formal dining room. You do have a chandelier in here and 2 bright windows. Do have the two-tone paint in here, so you've got the trim partition. Coming into the living area, you do have nice high ceilings in here. Do have carpet. This home is located just off the intersection of Blue Angel Parkway and Lillian Highway, so very centrally located to the bases. And as you can see, the living room does have plant ledges in here. Do have a hallway here, and then it's got your extra bedrooms and bathrooms. Do have sliding glass doors to go to your covered porch out there. And a nice spacious kitchen. So we do have tile in here. You've got a large island, stainless steel appliances. We do have the interior plantation shutters for the dining nook. So you do have a dining nook as well as your formal dining room. Got a built-in microwave, stainless steel dishwasher, lots of cabinetry. You do even have a cute storage ledge just above the sink. Do also have a pantry with wire shelving, so lots of storage. Let me take you outside to the backyard and then I'll come in and show you the rest of the home. So this sliding door is actually equipped with screen doors, so if you wanted to have the door open, you could have like the double layer. You do have access to this covered porch just from the primary bedroom. So got enough room out here. You could easily have a dining table. And then you do have a spacious backyard. This is the double gate I was referencing. So if you wanted to pull a vehicle, boat, or RV back here, you easily could. You've got quite a large shed with some decking. The side of the yard here, you have mature landscaping, and then you do have an entry door to the garage hiding just behind those bushes. So you've got great depth here in the yard, and that is in addition to having the shed back here for extra storage, as well as the covered porch. Alrighty, let's go inside and see the primary. This is a split floor plan that I'll be showing you. Got a large primary. It does have a tray ceiling and a ceiling fan. And there are those doors we saw that will access to the back porch. Coming into the primary bathroom, you do have tile in here. You have a tub and a shower. Got double vanities, your vanity lighting. A very bright frosted window in here. I love that you can see the greenery through the window still. Standing shower alongside the tub. And then you do have the commode here. There's a partition wall for some added privacy. You do have dual closets in this bathroom as well. Lots of wire shelving in here. Lots of shoe storage on that far wall. And then the second closet right here. Lots of storage available in here. And then I'm gonna take you back through the kitchen and I'll show you the garage access as well as the laundry room. So if you were to come in through the 2-car garage, you would land right here in the laundry room. There are your hookups and you've got lots of shelving in here. The garage does also have some extra storage. It does have finished floors. And there is that door to the garage that I was telling you about in the backyard. So lots of built-in shelving in here, and you do also have this pegboard, which would be great for tools. All right, we'll come back through the formal dining room and act as if we were just coming into the house, and I will take you to the rest of the bedrooms. Have a very bright and sunny room in here, overlooks the front yard and the street. It is equipped with a ceiling fan and your closet there. This home also does have a 2021 roof, so that is a major component that wouldn't have to worry about for a while. The second full bathroom we'll see does have tile flooring, the single vanity, and then this one does have a tub shower combo. So you've got both in here. The third bedroom we'll look at, this one is bright and white. Ceiling fan in here. And then you do have blinds in here. They are just pushed up, but you do have a view of the greenery out there. And then your closet. And then the fourth bedroom is tucked away in its own hallway, so everybody's got a little bit of privacy in their own corner of the home. I like this green color in here for the secondary paint color along with the white. So you do have a ceiling fan in here. And this one does have a nice view of the backyard. Closet is through those bifold doors there. And just off the bedroom is the full bathroom. So you've got a single vanity, very similar to the bathroom we just looked at, vanity lighting, and a tub shower combo in here as well. All right, guys. Once again, this is 9145 Sebring Drive in Pensacola, Florida. We are just off Blue Angel Parkway and Lillian Highway. We're in the neighborhood of Lillian Woods. This home does have a 2021 roof, split floor plan, covered patio, and a fenced backyard. Come check this one out, guys.